ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ओम अभ्यास 47 उदाहरणवाक्य मनसि ईश्वरं चिन्तय। चिन्तय कस्मिन् लकार अस्ति? लोक। मन में, मनसि सत्य। चेतसा रहसि अपि अंहांसि एनांसि वा न कुरु।
चेतसा तृतीया।
सम्यक। चेतसा and
so rahasi is saptami
satyam
of rahas. So ekant, so through the chet ke द्वारा मन में api and ahamsi bahuvachanam of amhasi.
Amhasi.
Amhasi is bahuvachanam, right, of papa?
Anghamsi. I think one
Chandrabindu is missing.
Anuswara is missing. Anghamsi.
Amhamsi and enamsi ma na kuru.
Or ma akarshi. You can say.
Yeah, that ma is easy, but that akarshi is not.
Yeah. It is lung lakara. Mangi lung.
If it was, man, na kuru or something, or something that would be so.
But ma karshihi, it comes in different parts in the rituals. I've heard. I don't know if it is Shraddha or no, not Shraddha.
In Shraddha, it comes in Shraddha.
So, don't do must be maybe in Shraddha or even in Upakarma, etc. You have to check where that Ma Karshi comes, but it does come. Ma Karshihi. Ma Karshi. चेतसा रहसी, चित्त में एकांत में, चित्त के द्वारा एकांत में अपि, then there also अंगांसी एनांसी वागना करो, मतलब मानसिक पाप मत करना न करो। रक्षांसी तमसी विचरन्ति, रक्षांसी राक्षस बहुवचनम, अंधकार में विचरन्ति, भ्राम्यन्ति वगैरह।
See, charanti is obviously bahuvachana of chara, right? Chara, charanti. Now, vicharaha, like vibhagaha would mean to split also. So is it like, but vicharanti is what, to give emphasis, is it? It's from emphasis perspective.
Like when we see now, we can check this in this one. Charagato bhakshane, this is the dhatu. Here we will do, or even we can do upasargarthaha. Should be there. No, it is not there. No problem. Kartari mein, when you do vi upasarga purvak, vicharanti, in that way. Charagato bhakshane cha, same dhatu with emphasis. Nabhasi, Ravi, Ravihi, Ravir, you can say. Why they have not even? Or Ravish, sorry. No, Ravis. Manasi Ravis Tejobhir ज्योतिर्भिर्च प्रकाशते. Nabhasi. Nabhas is for this. They have not given, right, Nabhas?
Nabhas is Akasha, right?
Yeah,
Nabhas,
it is. Yeah, it is for Akasha, but they have not given an Udhara Shabdani.
The Shabdani they have not given. So,
I see. Yeah, but in Akash. Akash में वैसे ही है.
in Akasha, the sun, Tejo shining
Through
through the sun.
Through the light and through the rays. किरणों के द्वारा और तेज के द्वारा दोनों. तेजो भी ही ज्योति भी च प्रकाशते. They are not given Nabhas. Anyway, Swa Ravihi Tejavi matlab you have to take Swa Tejavihi. The sun shines through its own. Swa Tejavihi, Swakiye Bhi Tejavihi, whatever. Swa Tejavihi Jyotirvihi ja prakashte. Yauvane Chandamsi Patha. So Yauvane will be Balyavayasi.
Youth.
Balyavayasi.
Yauvana avasthe, right?
Yavan avasthe. Balyavayasi, Yauvane, whatever. In the youth. During youth. Chandamsi Patha. Chandamsi Veda. Veda Patha. Haviragnav Juhudi. Havihi. So Havihi here, which vibhakti it is? Havihi, Haviragnav Juhudi.
Havihi would be Dvitiya.
Satyam. Why Dvitiya?
Because, like our Havis Shabda, so Havihi, Pratama and Dvitiya. So here we will take Dvitiya, the object, Agnav, in the fire, you offer Jyoti.
Satyam. Samyak. Because in the fire, it is karma here. Somebody should be offering. Tvam will be karta. Or say, Juhudi they have given. So, Tvam. Balye cha vaisi sarpihi bhakshaya. Sarpir bhakshaya.
Balye cha vaisi sarpihi bhakshaya? Bhakshaya matlab?
Eat.
ऐसे कैसे
sarpihi means?
Ghee.
Eat ghee.
Yeah, I was just thinking something like noodles it has to be. It can't be what I'm thinking.
No. Like ghee.
Maggi.
Eat lot of ghee. When you are
Okay.
young.
Eat lot of ghee and do a lot of part.
Do lot of patha and eat lot of ghee. Of course, generally Yuva Avastha is considered slightly older than Balya Avastha. Balya Vaisi. Yauvana will be like even that Bhagavan says, right, in that shloka. Yauvanam jara tata dehontara praptis dhira tatra mutsu. In the beginning of second chapter, right?
Uske baad yuva. It is like adolescent.
Adolescent, yes. Now, what is the beginning of that shloka? Second chapter, 13th, right? 13 or 14. 13th shloka.
But the word Yavan also comes in Bhajo Govinda. Don't waste your time.
Yes, Yavana. Exactly. But the beginning of that shloka, do you know? Gita 2:1-3.
Okay. Dehi knows.
Kaumaram
Yavanam jara.
Tatha dehantara praptis dhira tatra mohi. Satyam. Dehino asmini yatha dehi. In that. Astu. Agre. Shivabhaktaha Rajapurushaha Murti Pujang Karoti. Three samasas are there in this sentence. Shivabhaktaha, Shivasya Bhaktaha.
शिवभक्तों को राजपुरुषों को मूर्ति पूजा नहीं आई थिंक शिवभक्त एंड राजपुरुषः मूर्ति पूजा करते हैं
करेक्ट
करोति
करता है करोति करता है करती है व्हाटएवर बहुत पुरुषः देव गिवन सो करता है भक्तः शिवभक्तः राजपुरुषः राजपुरुष शिवभक्त व्हाट इज ही डूइंग मूर्ति पूजा
मूर्तेः पूजा, no?
मूर्तेः पूजा सत्य
मूर्तेः
all are षष्ठी तत्पुरुष
षष्ठी, मूर्तेः
रामः यज्ञार्थम so there also there is samasa yajnasya artham yajnasya idam yajnartham somam somasya rasam va so they have themselves given samasa vigraha somarasam so saying somarasam somasya rasam va sunoti sunoto asunot suniyat सोष्यति रामः यज्ञ के लिए सोमरस जूस निकालेगा वैसे निकाल रहा है निकाल गया whatever in 5 धातु लकारस पंच लकाराणि सन्ति लकाराः सन्ति कृष्णः प्रातः सुनुते सुनुताम् असुनुत सुन्वीत सोष्यते here this sunvita which lakara is this
sunvita
vidiling satyam sunute sunutam asunuta sunvita soष्यते in this sunvita can you also say sunuvita or it is only sunvita that ukara is not for vidiling. That extra ukara vikalpa which is there, that is for lat and lit. Hey, only lat. Sunuvava, sunvava. Uttama Purusha, Dvivachanam, both forms are there. है ना सुनुवः सुन्वः एंड सुनुमः सुन्मः लट्लकार उत्तम पुरुष द्विवचन एंड बहुवचन बोथ फॉर्म्स with ukara without ukara but for vidiling it is sunvita only not sunuvita अस्तु मन सत्य से शुद्ध होता है मनः then सत्येन शुद्ध्यति that's what they have given here also in शुद्ध वाक्य सत्येन not सत्यात् सत्येन because it is साधना तृतीया विभक्ति चित्त में ईश्वर का ध्यान करो हाँ is an interesting विषय चेतसी चित्त में चेतसा will be चित्त से चित्त में चेतसी
चेतसी ईश्वर का ईश्वरस्य ध्यान करो ध्यान चिंतय
you can say dhyaya is also correct ध्यायतु ध्यायतां ध्यायन्तु ध्याय that is dhyayato vishayan pumsah ध्याय
उल्टा है एक्चुअली
हाँ बट धातु इज द सेम द ध्यान करने का ध्यान धातु रात्रि में अंधकार सर्वत्र फैल जाता है रात्रि में कस्मिन् विभक्ति अस्ति ईसी रात्रौ रात्रौ अंधकार
तमसि
तमः वै तमसि तमः सर्वत्र
रात्रौ तमः सर्वत्र is also okay right yes
सर्वत्र नहीं सर्वत्र is correct हाँ
सर्वत्र फैल जाता है
विचरति प्रसरति प्रसरति
अगर हम विचरन्ति कहेंगे तो it will be plural which is also okay with अंधकार it's a lot of अंधेरा
नहीं अंधकार will be एकवचन हृदय में अगर हम बोल रहे हैं तमो गुणाः in that way then you can say बहुवचन but your darkness is one हृदय में पाप न रखो चेतसी then हृदय is also correct सत्यम हृदय और मनसी is also okay हाँ then एनः न धारय और माँ
I have to find that lakar of that words for ma.
Ma, you have to put lung lakara. Like you see, kri will be akar shihi. So
Yeah.
dhri will be adhar shihi, I guess. I will check. Dhri dhatu to keep.
So okay.
Huh?
Oops. Sorry.
To hold.
I just said something.
So if you want to say to hold, etc., in Kartari, you say lung lakara. In lung lakara, it will be adhar shihi, like akar shihi. Ma adhar shihi. न धारय. धोल में बालक खेलते हैं. धोल विल बी रजस.
Rajasi.
हाँ.
Rajasi balakam. Balakah kridati.
खेलते हैं.
खेलते हैं क्रीडन्ति.
बालकाः क्रीडन्ति.
बालकाः क्रीडन्ति.
तुम्हारी आयु क्या है? तव
वयसः किम्?
तव वयसः किम्? वयः. तव वयः किम्?
वयः किम्?
राक्षस अंधेरे में घूमते हैं.
तमसि विचरन्ति.
हाँ, सेम
सेंटेंस है.
ब्रह्मचारी का ओज. हाँ, दिस इज एन इंटरेस्टिंग वन. सो
ये ब्रह्मचारी के लिए ब्रह्मचारी.
ब्रह्मचारी इज करेक्ट, बट विभक्ति
उस षष्ठी होना चाहिए ना ब्रह्मचारी का.
तो
Brahmachari is masculine gender.
You see, correct. But you see, which is the pratipadika? Yeah. What will be pratipadika of brahmachari or sannyasi? Huh?
Is it brahmachara?
No. Brahmachari, sannyasi pratipadika. What would you say?
Yati.
Yati is a sannyasi.
Yes, because sa would be upasarga, I guess. No?
Okay, sa is okay. Then nyasa, what will be for nyasi, pratipadika? So this is what we had seen, karin, and all those other shabdas. I remember only karin. What all they again? No? They are given a few, right? This karin ke saath. करिन दंडिन विद्यार्थिन शशिन पक्षिन स्वामिन मंत्रिन ब्रह्मचारिन शब्द. संन्यास.
I just saw brahmachari and I said you will just take it as Nadi. Super ikara.
This will be pullinga. If you say pullinga, but pullinga ikara you cannot say hari because it is not brahmachari. It is brahmachari. But you have to see pratipadika. So like karin, it is brahmacharin. Like sannyasin, you say. When we write in shuddha, that shuddha in the sense shuddha Sanskrit to English, IAST, SAMNYASIN, sannyasin is there, like brahmacharin. So brahmacharinaha, karinaha, in that way brahmacharinaha. So that is why the pratipadika is important in the sense, if you know what it follows, you can use that same rupa. Brahmacharinaha ojaha. Then
ब्रह्मचारिणः ओजः सूर्य का तेज. सूर्यस्य
तेजा. और अगर रवि बोलना है तो
रवि बोलना है तो it will be Ravi like Hari. So
रव्यस्य.
no, Ravi is like Hari, right? So we'll have to go to like Harau. So Rabau.
That is Saptami. Do you want Saptami here? Surya में थे.
So Rave
Rave.
Rave.
Hare है जैसे रवे है. And Aditya, if you want to say Aditya.
आदित्य.
हाँ, आदित्य बोलना तो
आदित्य ये this is अकारांत.
Shashti भी.
हाँ, षष्ठी यूनिट.
Aditya also I think.
Adityasya. Suryasya, Ravehe, Adityasya, and Hari also is for sun. No, Hari is for Vishnu. There is a few other words are there, right?
भानु
Bhanu. हाँ, भानु बोलना है तो
भानवे ऐसा
Guruho, Guru. So therefore, Bhanu would be Bhanoho.
Bhanu. Satyam. So you see, so many words are there. You just have to follow the Pratipadika. So the Mula Shabda, if I know, then I can just match. Then Chandrama ki Jyoti. Then
सोमस्य
Somasya. Oh, that is simple. The Chandrama Shabda, if you want to use. Somasya is correct.
Chandrasya also. Chandra is also.
Chandra. Chandra, if you say Chandrasya is correct. If you want to say Chandrama, because Chandrama is also Shabda. Name, actually, Chandrama is like how Chandrama Manaso Jataha Chaksho Suryo Ajayata. Chandrama is there, right? There. It is not Chandra.
Yeah, it's not Chandra. So Chandrama also will be Kulita?
But what is the Rupa? Chandramasaha.
Chandramas.
Chandramasha, Chandramasaha.
So Chandramas, then it will be like Manas, it will be like Chandramasi.
Yes, like all this that we have going on. Manas, Chetas, Tamas, Uras. All of these stages.
We need Shashti here, so Manasaha. So Chandrasaha.
Chandramasaha.
Chandramasaha. Chandramasaha.
Chandrasya will be okay. But if you say Chandrama, it is Chandramasa.
Chandramasaha. Nice, nice.
और वीर का तेज
ज्योति भी
वीर
just said तेज के लिए तो I think और Rochush they have asked us to use
So first is Veer Karte. So Veeryapya.
एक अच्छा
Veeryasya.
वीरस्य why वीरस्य
Veeras.
or that yodhaha, that Shuddha you can use, or Veerasya enough. So Veerasya, Tejaha, or if you want to say Rochishaha, Rochish,
So should it be
Chakshush, Pratama Ekachanam. What is Chakshush Pratama Ekachanam?
Chakshushaha or Dev?
Not Chakshuhu. Chakshus Suryo Ajayata. है ना? चंद्रमा मनसो जातः चक्षो सूर्य. There मनहा जैसे चक्षुहु. That's all. In fact,
But which is the word we have in our book with that, which is the equivalent of Chakshus? We have the word?
in the Rachananwala it is not there.
Not there.
Havish is there.
Yeah, Havish is there.
Havish जैसे रोचिश you can take. Havihi, so rochihi.
Havish, Rochi.
But chakshush, chakshuhu, same thing you can follow. Chakshush, they are not.
Okay.
Or for these things, if at all there is a doubt, this one will have for sure.
Yeah, that's very good.
Chakshush, shakaranta napumsakalinga, atama ekavachana chakshuhu.
Super.
एक चक्षुः that अस्तु then शोभित हो रहा है शोभन्ते
Shobhan. But tell me this, I just got confused.
शोभते is okay.
In our Ghai Pratyaya,
हाँ
it's past continuous, right?
घय प्रत्यय
Ghai
past.
Pratyaya.
I'm not good with these English terminologies.
Okay, no. This ho raha hai,
हाँ
would that be Ghai Pratyaya?
घय प्रत्यय generally those two factors, two meanings are there, right? For घय प्रत्यय भावे is one. भावे means जो action pakna in that way, that is bhave.
Okay.
Or even you can say sorry so bhave you can say pakaha, that is
Pakaha, correct.
पकनाकार
So,
हाँ
so Shobataha, and then what's the, because we have the Shashti, they want you to have Shashti in the beginning.
okay, but why should you put ghe there?
No, I was just thinking of Ho Raha Hai. So is it like, it's Ho Raha Hai is,
शो
I get confused with my English also sometimes. The past, what is
शो नहीं नहीं वाई कंफ्यूज शोभित हो रहा है तो इट इज शोभित हो रहा है शोभते दैट्स ऑल इनफ
Shobate? Okay.
वाई घे pratyaya will come when there is some that shabda is there and then the dhatu also comes for pratyaya makes it into something that is meaningful in a different sense, right? It turns the dhatu into a shabda. So there we don't need to take the pratyaya itself as a dhatu. शोभित हो रहा है शुभ धातु शोभते.
Yeah, Shobate.
Then वेद के छंदों, so हाँ वेद के छंदों को प्रतिदिन पढ़ो. This only is in Taittiriya Upanishad, right?
छंदांसि
Vedasya,
वेदस्य छंदांसि.
Chandamsi.
Hmm.
You can just say Pratidinam Pata.
प्रतिदिनं पठ सत्यम छंदांसि प्रतिदिनं पठ. अग्नि में हवि ही और घी डालो. हवि और घी.
Agnav,
हाँ
Havihi,
हाँ
Sarpihi,
हाँ.
Sarpihi Cha, Juhodi,
जुहूदी.
Juhudi.
सम्यक. गुड. नाइस धातु यूसेज. ईश्वर भक्त पापों से डरता है. सीधे डन समास. ईश्वर भक्त पापों से डरता है.
ईश्वरस्य भक्त
और ईश्वर भक्त है.
ईश्वरभक्तः एनम शब्द इज इट.
हाँ ओके एनम. पापा ऑल्सो यू कैन यूज बट एनम. हाँ एनम.
पाप से एनामसि
हाँ पापों से.
पापों से एनामसि इज प्लूरल है ना.
बट फॉर
Vihi,
एनामसी इज
Vihi.
एनामसी इज प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचन. पापों से है ना. सो पंचमी. हाँ सुंदर जी. एनेभ्यः.
Enu,
एनेभ्यः होगी ना. पंचमी बहुवचनम you want, right? Why पंचमी? Because बिबेति धातु is there.
Vibhiti is coming.
भीत्रार्थानां भय हेतु. So बिभेति. न बिभेति कुतश्च नेति. In that there is something पंचमी. यतो वाच निवर्तन्ते अप्राप्य मनसा आनंदम ब्रह्मणो विद्वान न बिभेति कुतश्च नेति. There is no from where he is fear. He says there is no fear anywhere. तैत्तिरीय उपनिषद. एकांत में भी पाप न करो. चेतस्यपि. देन चेतसि रहस्यपि. देन रहस्यपि. ओके रहस्यपि.
Api enah dhatu.
हाँ ये ना
Mahakashit.
माँ आकाशी ही. हाँ
Mahakashi.
विद्या से हीन मनुष्य पाप से युक्त होता है. विद्या से हीन यू कैन डू समास. विद्याहीन मनुष्य फुल समास एक्चुअली. इनफैक्ट हाँ
Say, so enasa,
देन
enasa. Yuj they want you to use. Yujyati.
एनसा युज्यते ओनली. आत्मनेपदम. युज्यते. युज्यते त्वे भगवान. युज्यते ते त्वघम पापम ये पचन्त्यात्म कारणात्. Which is that shabda? Where does it come? युज्यते ते त्वघम पापम. भगवान tells Arjuna. हाँ ऑफ कोर्स. युज्यते नात्र संशय. एतां विभूतिं योगं च मम यो वेति तथा सोविकम्पेन योगेन युज्यते नात्र संशय. देन वन मोर इज देयर. 17th chapter. अच्छा सद्भावे साधुभावे च इज ओके.
10th अध्याय में भी एक है.
अच्छा भुंजते. सॉरी दैट इज भुंजते ते.
मम यो वेत्ति तत्त्वतः
So we compare.
सोऽविकम्पेन योगेन युज्यते नात्र संशयः.
Satyam. That is bhunjate te tvagam papam ye pachante atmaka. That is different. But yujyate, of course, you will see it is here. Dasamadhyaya saptama shloka. Yujyate natra samshayah. अस्तु अग्रे त्रयोदश दोनों आंखों से देखो. अच्छा
द्वे नेत्रे पश्य.
चक्षुष चक्षुष शब्द प्रयोग आवश्यकमस्ति. द्वे नेत्रे पश्य. Okay, but चक्षुष no, there in there you have to use tritiya na netra. नेत्रे से द्वे नेत्रे इसके द्वारा.
So नेत्रे पितृ पित्रे. So नेत्रे is tritiya only, no?
नेत्र it is not नेत्र नेत्र नेत्रेण.
So
And if you say dvo नेत्राभ्याम
नेत्राभ्याम
नेत्राभ्याम पश्य is okay. Same way चक्षुर्भ्याम पश्य. राजपुरुष धनुष उठाता है और राक्षसों का मारता है. राजपुरुषः then so राज्ञः पुरुषः अथवा राजपुरुषः then
इक्षु
इक्षु धनुः
इषु
धनुः धनुष
धनुषः
धनुः
like our we saw that.
चक्षुष जैसे चक्षुः धनुष धनुष धनुः धनुः then उठाता.
Uttapyati.
उत्थापयति. So
Uttapyati.
in उत्थापयति प्रत्यय
Uttapyati, but Uttaya is Nishta, right? Where Ya comes from.
निष्ठा is ktar ktavatu निष्ठा.
Yeah, that's also correct.
But here it is not nishtha. Ktar ktavatu will mean,
Past, Bhutkal.
but this is not bhutkal, right?
This is not
Utata.
Bhutkal. It is the lifting down. So is it that like the Churadi Gana where the Ya comes in?
Exactly. If you know that sutra, pratyaya is super straightforward. Churadibhyo nich. Nich pratyaya.
Nich pratyaya, correct. Churadi.
Utthapayati nich pratyaya. But Utthapayati pakara, because Utthayati it should be, right? Sthadhatu is there. Sthadhatu.
We never thought it should be Uttayati.
Yeah, we never.
Always thought it should be Uttapayati.
Exactly. Why? So clear to us. Like Jnapayati, na? Why pakara?
So stha ज्ञा ये सब में प आता है. There has to be a sutra like that.
But which sutra? There is a sutra. Arti, Hri, Vri, Ri, Knui, Kshmai, Yatam, Pumnau.
Most famous. Gum, all those dhatus, that one, right?
No, that is Anudatopadesha Vanatitam.
Anudato.
This is Arti, Hri, Vri. In all these dhatus, Pum Agama will come. Pumnau.
Yeah. So Punno, it ends with Punno.
Pungnau. Ha. So that Pungnau will become Pakara. Pum is Pakara. Like how Hraswasya Piti Kriti Tuk is there. No? Tuk is what? Ta. Like that Puk. Puk will be Pung now. Not Pung, Puk. Puka. And then so Utu Upasarga is there in Sthadhatu. Uthapayati mein Utu Upasarga is there. Like somewhere else. Utkarsha. Shabda will be, or some other Shabda is Ut Upasarga.
Uttishtati.
Uttishtati, Satyam. So there also Ut Upasarga is there. But in Uttishtati, we are only doing double small ta, na? The main takara we are putting twice. But in Uthapayati, we put tha. Why?
It's a car, it's a not car.
And also, stha dhatu is there. But sakara, lopa. Where is sakara in Uthapayati? It is not there. But the dhatu is stha. भगवान ये आनंदगिरी महाराज फेवरेट शब्द उत्थापय उत्थापयति उदः स्थास्तंभोः पूर्वस्य. दिस सूत्र will make the sakara lopa in stha dhatu and stambha dhatu. This number I don't know. Udah sthastambhoh purvasya. So if you search for stha, for example, this will come up. When sthasta, let's see. What is this number? 8461. Udah sthastambhoh purvasya. So here, you see they have given here Utsthanam, Ud plus Sthanam will become Utthanam. So in this Utthanam, we are also adding Pakara to make it Nich Pratyaya. Or Nich Pratyaya will add Pakara in that. Then Vishnu का भक्त मूर्ति पूजा करता है with samasa. How will it be?
Vishnu Bhakta.
Vishnu Bhakta. And without samasa?
So, Vishnu ka. So, Vishnusya.
Vishnu ho.
No, Vishnu ho. Guru. Vishnu ho Bhakta.
Then?
Vishnu ho Bhakta. Then Murti ka puja. So, Murti puja karoti.
Karoti. Or Murti puja karoti. Murti puja. So this is the real value of the
Murtyaha puja.
Murtyaha puja. Murtyaha puja. That's what I was thinking. It had come right somewhere.
You can do both. Murtehe and Murtyaha.
Acha, both are available for
Both are available.
Shashti Ek also. But in the example, in the Udaharana, they had given something, right? Had they given
In the
both?
book, theory class,
हाँ.
Yama 158, इसके just पहले वाला जो
Where is it?
46 के end में.
एंड में. अच्छा, इसके एंड में 46 के एंड में.
46 के end में, हाँ. Just,
46 के
यहाँ पे
46
your pin is, I think, somewhere around that.
47 के एंड में नहीं.
46 के end में, 47 के ऊपर.
अच्छा.
Lesson will be 46 or exercise 47, ना?
नहीं, same.
So,
Lesson
can
and
you scroll
exercise
down?
are same number.
Can you scroll down and see this?
You can just look for Murti and Ashtadhyayi.
Yeah, but I want to see what they had given.
158 के नीचे.
This is 47 only, Akaji.
हाँ, यहाँ पर आपको दिखेगा. देवा पूजा
Murtiya puja.
पूजा.
Murtya puja, Murti puja.
This is 46 का end, right?
47 का end ना.
नहीं, 46. इसके बाद 47 है. तो why is my book different?
Does your book say Abhyas 46?
हाँ.
And you,
Manas Havik is. Am I referring to like Prauda or Mad जो वो है?
नहीं, Madhyama, maybe there is some misprint. You see that earlier Abhyasa, what is it numbered?
I will send you the.
No, but the numbering of page 92. Abhyasa, what does it
My
say?
page 95 is Abhyasa 47.
And 94?
94 is 46. It should be. Yeah, 94 is on the left side, and that is. Oh, that is also 47. Acha, okay.
Abhyasa,
47 page. हाँ.
every Abhyasa has 2 pages.
Yeah. So 47 का theory and 47 का practice.
Right. So 47 they have 7 Murtyaha, but we will also check what Sundarji suggested. Murti Ikaranta Strilinga Murtehe. So both are correct, but they had not given that. They gave only Murtyaha. They should be giving Murtehe also. वह रस निकलता है then सुनोती इज ओके. रस निकालने का धातु इज सुनोती सुनोती अथवा सुनुते ऑल्सो. आत्मनेपद सुनुते ऑल्सो. त्वम सोमरसम. तो सोमरस और सोम सुनुते. तो सुनुते नहीं, सुनुष्व और सुनु is okay. And निकाल है ना, निकाल. सोम का रस निकाल. निकाल. हाँ, मैं रस निकालूं. सुनोमी नहीं, निकालूं. Don't.
Okay, I will take it out.
नहीं, I should.
So
मैं जाऊं वैसे निकालूं.
So it should be.
सुनुवानी.
So सुनुवानी.
अथवा
सुनुवानी अथवा विधिलिंग.
नहीं, विधिलिंग नहीं. विधिलिंग ओके. आत्मनेपद में सुनुवई.
सुनुवई.
And in विधिलिंग सुनवी.
विधिलिंग will be सुनियाम.
हाँ, and आत्मनेपद विधिलिंग
सुनवीय.
सुनवीय. सत्यम. सुनवीय and सुनिया. समझे. Then वह रस निकालेगा ससोष्यति अथवा सोष्यते. Same as सुनोति but with shakara. वह प्रातः सोमरस निकाले. निकाले, here you can use विधिलिंग. So सा प्रातः सोम और सोमरसम सुनुयात. Sunyat is Vediling. Or Sunvita is also okay. Or here, to be honest, you can use lot also. Sunotu is also okay. Nikale. Sunotu or Atmanepada would be Sunutam. Sunutam. So Sunotu, Sunutam, Sunvita, Sunuyat. All are correct. All are acceptable. Manaha Satyena Shuddhi.
स्वामी जी वायम तर्क कक्षे रस निकाले.
अस्माकम.
अस्माकम. So our he nichods रस out of us. खत्म.
रस निकाले मतलब सुनोती और सुनोती सुनवंती.
Just squeezes the rest out of us.
आचार्यः अस्माकं तर्ककक्षे तर्कवर्गे सुन्वन्ति. आदरार्थे बहुवचनम्. अस्तु. Like you know how
Durga Saptashati means one year. So Devi Pravansham sounds so much like
yes. And here in general, because we are trying to make this sentence right with Acharya, Swamiji, etc. In general, Bahuvachana is used. So example, in Tika, in Sarva Vedanta Sarasindra Tika, or even in other Tikas, Anandagiri Maharaj's Tikas, they write Acharya Pravaraihi Uktam. That is Bahuvachanam of Tritiya, right? Acharya Pravaraihi Uktam.
Yeah, that comes very often.
So Adararthe Bahuvachanam in that way. Then
so even in English this is common. So I used to work in a training department. So when you refer to customer, you say they, you don't say he or she.
Sure.
So that's very similar.
Yeah, sure. Nowadays, of course, the prayoga is different to not put the gender, but yes, they. You can say even like in when we like translate these Sanskrit to English, these books, translations, some places they will say, anyway, sorry, this is all digression, but आदरार्थे बहुवचन,
जब हम इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं ना किसी से, I often tend to shift because you said this अच्छा नहीं लगता बोलने को, then I change it to आप. हिंदी में बोला तो you have a आप word.
Yeah, in English there is no other. But in Sanskrit there is, because this is of course Sanskrita Vyakaranam. In Sanskrit there is, asti eva, vartate eva, किम त्वम और भवान उभयोः वर्तते न वा, त्वमपि वर्तते उभयोः अपि वर्तते. So anyway, मनः सत्येन शुद्ध्यति, मनसि they have given अशुद्ध to शुद्ध, मनः सत्यात् शुद्ध्यति, मनः सत्येन पंचमी सत्यात्, तृतीय सत्येन, तृतीया मने चेते वा नास्ति, मनसि चेतसि वा ईश्वरं चिन्तयति, इन मनसि, इन मनसि, and रक्षसाः नास्ति, रक्षांसि, छन्दांसि यस्य पर्णानि यस्तं वेद स वेद. बाबाजी had quoted yesterday. And एनांसि, ख को लोट लंग विदिलिंग, we did that for the सुधातु. इन शब्दों के पूरे रूप मनस, तेजस, नभ, सूरस, छंदस, हविष, ज्योतिष, धनुष, चक्षुष. So this first 5 will be all like manas. Havish, Jyotish will be one way, Dhanush, Chakshush will be one way. But they will all follow the same endings. That will not change. सुधातु के दोनों पदों से दसों लकार में रूप लिखो. So we read that yesterday. And तत्पुरुष समास किससे कहते हैं? सोदाहरण लिखो. तत्पुरुष समास examples there again. राज्ञः पुरुषः किम? ईश्वरस्य भक्तः. Agre, everything, if we have to do for everything, what will it be? Just one by one.
So, Raja Purushah, Ishvara Bhaktah, Vidyalayah, Bhaya Praptah, Jnana Shunyah, Jnanah, Ekonam, Dvija Idam. No, this one is not very clear to me. Roga Muktah, Vidyanipudana.
So, Dvijaya Idam, what should it be? Example is there in Apka Abhyasa. Niyama.
Dvijaya Idam is, Dvijaya will be Tritiya.
Dvijartham.
Chaturthi.
Dvijartham. Because Artha, they say Artha is Nitya Samasa कहते हैं. It is called Nitya Samasa. So there for Artha, Vigraha will not happen. So we say Ida. Astu. Then Vigraha karo. Rajapurusha. This is harder because here you have to see the Vibhakti. Earlier, Vibhakti doesn't matter, you just jodna, but
Vigraha is very intuitive. जैसा हम सुनते हैं, it clicks. ये सुना हुआ शब्द.
राज्ञः ईश्वरस्य विद्यायाः, these are all षष्ठी. भयम is द्वितीया, ज्ञानेन तृतीया, विद्यया तृतीया, एकेन तृतीया, द्विजाय चतुर्थी, रोगात् पंचमी, विद्यायां पंचमी. So here, विद्यायां सप्तमी. But in Vigraha karo, everything will be different. So Rajapurusha. Then Dukkham Atita. In the example you see here, Dukkham Atita iti Dukkhati.
So from Dukkham, right?
No, see, Atita already means beyond. Atita, like Ati Mukti and all is there, right?
So Dukkham Atita.
Then Khadgahata.
Khadga से मारा गया, right?
So Khadgena. If you take as sadhana, tritiya. Pitratulyah.
Pitrasya tulyah.
Is it Pitrasya?
Pitrena.
do the comparison.
Pitrena have a. Okay, which vibhakti will it be firstly?
Comparison है तो fifth.
Okay, so if you do fifth. Fifth case will be pituhu. But here साधन जैसे ही लेंगे हम. So pitra we will take. Pitra tulyaha. In fact, this is given in the niyama, right? हरिणा विद्यया ज्ञानेन शून्य मात्रा मा पित्रा तुल्यः पितृतुल्य. भूतं बलिः सत्यम. Then वृक्ष. Then युद्ध निपुणः. युद्ध निपुणः वृक्षात् पतितः is correct. Then भूत बलिः will be भूताय बलिः. In chaturthi भूताय. For bhuta you are doing bali in that way. Bhutaya balihi. Because
Bhuta is just something.
For like Shivaya in that way Bhutaya. And then Vrikshat Patita is correct. Yuddha Nipunaha.
Yuddhe Nipunaha.
Then Jalamagni. Jalamagnaha.
Jal, so it will be Jal.
Jale Magnaha, Satya. Yuddha Nipunaha, when we say Yuddhe Nipuna, it is not that he is a master in one war. He is a master of war. We don't say master of wars, right?
Master.
In that art, like
the book Art of War.
Art of war, but that is of course English. I am thinking of a Sanskritam example. Ashtanta something like Sanskrita bhashayam. You say na? Bhashayam nipunaha. Even if you are good at many languages, like let's say you are very talented at learning language, then also you say bhashayam only, right? You won't say Bhasha Nipunaha, you will say. But I'm just thinking. Okay, yeah, you just say Bhashayam Nipuna. You won't say or Samskrita Bhasha or Bhashaya Nipuna, not Bhashasu Nipuna. There will be some example. Anyway, it has to make sense, right? See, when you say war mein, he is an expert in war. That way. Yuddhe Nipunaha asti. Nipuna asti. Dana Nipunaha. Dane Nipunaha. Dana Nipunaha. That is a good example. Like if somebody is very good, is a wonderful teacher, you can say that person is a Vidya Dana Nipunaha. Is a master
in giving teaching.
In giving Vidya. So here, if you want to do Vigraha, you will just say Vidya Dane Nipunaha, right? You won't say, even if he is master of teaching Vyakarana and Vedanta and Tarka and whatever else, Mimamsa, something. Like we learn all this here. So if somebody is learning Vyakarana, Tarka, Mimamsa, Nyaya, same all from Vedanta, all from that same Acharya, then you will still say, this is Vidyadanena Nipunaha. Dane Nipunaha. Vidyadane Nipunaha. Not Vidyadaneshu Nipunaha. In that. Vidyadane Nipunaha. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Bhadarayanam Sutra Bhashyakatau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिनी व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति 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 ओम।